On this episode or on this clip, we're gonna find out if clear coating over patina with this Amazon clear coat works out. So stick around, we'll find out if this works well or not. I'm just wiping it on with a tack cloth. About to wipe on the clear coat. I'm not spraying a clear. I'm not gonna paint this truck. I think the patina looks pretty cool. We're just gonna wipe over a clear coat. This is what I got off of Amazon. Reviews seem fine.
I hate it.
It's direct to metal or painting over paint or other. There's a number of different finishes that it works with. So I'm gonna stir it up. Can says not to shake. Gonna wear a respirator because it is a clear coat. And I'm just gonna wipe it on with gloves and then a Harbor Freight microfiber cloth.
Mistake, big mistake.
We'll see if that works out okay. I don't really need a super thick, clear coat. I just wanna keep it so it looks kind of wet all the time instead of dry and dusty, which is what it looks like now.
I don't know if this is really designed to be a wipe on. Actually, I don't think it is. Paint it on, roll it on. There's a number of different options. Spray it on. It's like not as liquid as I was thinking it was going to be. This is going to be a sticky mess. I might change my shirt. Well, I'm actually fairly certain it's not supposed to be wiped on like this. It says you can brush it or roll it, so. We may need a roller though. Can you get me a roller?
Mini?
Yeah. Cause this is pretty rough. These brush strokes are awful. It's definitely starting to pool up. Well, get chunky. Well, it did say I could do this, so. And it said it's going to level itself out.
That's pretty good.
It's supposed to level.
Don't push too hard, and you do have a lot of...
Bubbles in there.
I don't think the bubbles are your problem. I think it's like the quantity here. What do you pour that? You want me to level this out a bit?
You think there's too much or too little?
Too much. Like I can see a lot of high points. Like I think leveling is like it's gonna level out the like roller things, but not these big stripes.
Possible.
Oh, you're spilling.
That was what I said right before. Was man, I probably shouldn't start on the hood. Oh, that's glossy right there.
Yeah, let's see these stripes on this area. Do you want me to use,
I think let's do another coat.
what's the like stickiness? Okay.
Yeah, it's like.
Do you want me to use this rag and go like around the emblems and like the
Yeah. Try to do some touch-up areas. Sure. It was like a bad school project. Because all of the wipe-on clear coats I've seen in the past, they seemed a lot more liquidy. Like you could just roll over it and it would kind of shine it up, and then that was it. This is like a legitimate, thick, sticky clear coat. I don't know if this was the right move. if I'm being honest.
Well, do we keep going?
We forage ahead! I was not expecting it to suck this bad. Never are, though. I'm not saying the clear coat is not ideal, but perhaps the one we chose was not, might have been better without it. Might have been better without it. I mean, it's looking super wrinkly, isn't it? My roller just fell off. I mean, this clear coat's eating it alive. What do you think you need? Yeah, this is not smooth at all. This has got so many bubbles in it, too. This is horrible. I'll get another wipe and I'll try to wipe on, but ooh, that did not go well at all. I could try to acetone it all off right now and start over. I don't know. Or we're gonna have to sand it.
Should we do the should stop and get the other thing?
This roll-on is not working at all. It's making giant bubbles. That sucks. This is much worse. There's like solvent pop everywhere. Alright, let's try to pull it off the acetone while we still can. Maybe get some things, because it was better just the way it was. Retreat! That needs a fucking ball. I think it's how this may actually work. I don't know how it's gonna dry. This whole thing sucks. Yeah, it's so cold. Retreat! Mistake! Big mistake! Gloves are not working. You know what? Maybe that was the answer, is just thin this stuff down so it's more wipe-onable instead of... But honestly, I'm not hating. What I'm seeing right now is pretty good. Are we going to have enough acetone, or are we plowing through it?
Well, that's why I'm through it. I don't know about the paint.
Well, right, just get it all off. I don't see any reason why this won't work. I mean, it's dumbed it down a lot. So, we can just, I don't know what it's going to dry like. But hey, buddy. I don't know, girl. It was kind of smoothing out over here, I think.
We're getting tricked.
What?
We're getting tricked.
Probably true. I just want to believe. Because now that this thing is like soaked in acetone, it's wiping on a lot better. Well, wiping off, wiping on.
I hate it.
You hate it?
Yeah.
It's not that bad. I stand by what I said. This is better. When we're wiping it off like this is better. But it's definitely still got a lot of clear coat in it. I can tell. Look at this panel. Aside from maybe a drip, it looks perfect. I'm going to run this along the rest of the car. Still up there, want to come back with more acetone.
Yeah, you know this.
What? I think it needs more acetone. This is so...
It's all over the bumper.
It's all over the bumper.
Yeah.
That should come off. Hey man, that's great. I'm gonna get a little more clear coat from this thick spot. But dang, I think that's pretty
Should I
darn
like the bumper or wait?
Yeah, wipe the bumper, sure. I'll go one more round on the hood and let you keep kind of wiping.
I've got an ego, and it do what it will. Hold me down before I find a fight. I've got a hunger, and I'm mad with all my might. Ooh.
that did not go according to plan. The clear coat was super thick. The wiping it on was not working. We started rolling it on with the roller, you might have seen. That didn't work. We were getting too heavy coats. There was a lot of solvent pop. It looked horrible. So we just started soaking rags and acetone and wiping the acetone, mixing it with the clear coat. Essentially, it reduced the clear coat a ton to where it was wipeable with a rag. And we just did the whole car like that by wiping it with these rags. And I don't know if it made any difference. It sort of looks wet. Just crap off my hand here. But it definitely reduced it a lot to the point where I don't know if it did a ton. But it still looks a little wet. We'll see what happens in the long run. So we'll keep feeding our heater, and that should be it.
Here's some closure to the vehicle. This is kind of what happens to a lot of my trucks, for better or for worse. It's probably better because I can't keep them all, but we are going to drop this one off at a shop that sells them for me. I don't like selling cars, but this one's complete, and I've got like probably 8 or 10 vehicles right now. I can't drive them all, so do a quick walk around for you while I tighten down the straps on the trailer, and then this one will be done.
Got a well-developed taste for trouble.